Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Fiat 500 battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Always ensure your car is completely off and the parking brake is engaged to prevent any accidental movement. For your safety, remember to wear appropriate gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. These simple preparations will make the battery replacement smooth and safe. Now let's disconnect the old battery. You'll find the battery located under the hood, typically on the passenger side of your Fiat 500. Using your 10mm wrench, always disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid electrical shorts. Once the negative is free, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are detached, remove any battery hold-down clamps. Carefully lift out the old battery, being mindful of its weight. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly. This ensures a good connection and prevents corrosion. Carefully place the new battery securely into the cleaned battery tray. Now, connect the positive terminal first, making sure it's snug and tight. Finally, connect the negative terminal last, securing it firmly to complete the circuit. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure, preventing any future issues. Now, start your Fiat 500 to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and everything powers up as it should. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Never just throw it away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.